Teresa. I am 12 years old. I'm going to talk about what we built. We built light and fan series. Good day everyone, my name is Blessing. I want to talk about what I learned. I learned types of connection, and types of connection are series connection and parallel connection. Series connection relies on the next thing. If it's removed, it won't work. While parallel connection, that if you remove one and connect it again, it will still work with the other one.
My name is Blessing. I am here to say about what we learned today. We learned about types of series settings. We learned about the parallel setting and the series setting.
Hi everyone, my name is Joy, and we learned how to build a series setting.